Hey guys, Happy New Year! Yes, I know it's 18th of January, but it's still a new year. Now say it back. That's what I thought. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your regular sweater into a shrug. I wore this red sweater all through Christmas. She is overworked and underpaid, and she's about to stay that way because baby, winter's still here. So this is a shrug. I love how cute this turned out. It's so stunning. And the best part is there's no sewing, there's no cutting. So put down those scissors, Melissa. You can use them to cut off your toxic ex, not for the sweater, okay? So let's get into this. So you're going to take your sweater while it's inside out. You're also going to take a hair tie. You can use a string. You can use a rubber band, whatever you need. And all you're going to do is grab the mouth and shut it down. So you're going to wrap whatever you're using around the mouth of your sweater. If you're using a crew neck sweater, the same thing applies. Just pinch the mouth and clasp it shut. So once that's done, that's it. So your sweater should look like this, and how you're going to wear it is you're going to put it upside down and sling it through your arms through the back. Now, finding the second armhole took a bit of maneuvering. My sweater was like, girl, you know I'm not meant to be worn like this. And I was like, you better have some decorum. And she did listen to me. So eventually we got there, and you're going to play around with this and adjust this. You can put the top bit. You see how it looks like I have a collar? If you don't like that look, you can tuck it in, whatever you need to do. So the back will have this bulky bit. You can lay her flat, but I promise you're not going to feel it as much. And in my opinion, it doesn't look that bad. And the back of my outfit is always none of my business. So that is my 2025 energy. So once you're done, here's a shrug, and I have a little surprise for you. I am going to be sharing 3 outfit ideas to style your new shrug. So the first look is the outfit I was already wearing. I have this Skims dupe maxi dress, and I matched my shoes to my shrug and added a gold belt. I saw this hack that said if you have a short torso, you shouldn't put stuff on your natural waist, but you should go lower. So that's why my gold belt is much lower. And I think it's kind of cute. I was feeling myself in this outfit. I would wear this to a date night. She's cute, and she delivers. So now on to outfit number 2. For the second outfit, we're going to go for cool and casual, baby. So look at this fit. This outfit eats down. It is my favorite. It's a casual, beautiful look. Can you believe that this is my first time in my life, in my 30 years of living? This is the first time I'm wearing mid-rise or low-waisted jeans. I think these are low-waisted. I just have avoided them like the plague. And when I put them on, I was like, this is stunning. It's just a tube top and some jeans. I put on my Sambas. My jeans are so baggy and oversized that you can't see, but my shoes have red stripes to match my shrug. And I think this outfit is so cool and casual and so cute. For the last outfit, it's very modest, very demure, very mindful. It's this mock neck with some dress bands and a thin gold belt and a black bag and black boots and a pop of red with a shrug. The shrug says, I am here and I'm here to be seen. This outfit is gorgeous. You could wear this to the office and then take off your little coat and have this shrug, and people will be like, bam, that pop of red, we see her. So those are my outfits. Please let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know what you think of this DIY. Let me know if you're going to be trying it. I really hope you do, because I think it's so simple and so cute and a fun way to make a shrug without spending money and buying a new one. Put down the credit card. You don't need to buy a shrug from H&M. Just make one from the sweaters you already have. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I thoroughly enjoyed your company. Thank you for starting the year with me. I would love to hear what videos you'd like to see on this channel. So let me know in the comment section down below. But for now, it's goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye.